How to change kingdom in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to change your kingdom in Kingshot. As of now, there's no full-fledged kingdom transfer feature. You can't just jump to a friend's realm once your city is past a certain level. However, you can start a new character in a different kingdom. Head to your profile, settings, then characters, then create a new character and choose the kingdom you want from the selection list. Yes, it resets your progress. Some rank and join game modes may include migration events years down the line, but for now, your best move is starting fresh. There's no way to merge cities, carry over items, or bypass the setup without spending real money if a transfer system arrives. So if being a specific kingdom matters, create a new city there early, before you get too invested in your current realm.